You can start in these boxes when you finish eating this room over here. So it's only this, that room. And then the rest of the kitchen and upstairs. My room, the other rooms are packed. Hi, I'm going down, and I'm letting you know that I'm recording. I have to let you know that I'm recording. Okay. Can you talk in your in English, please? Because there it's black mold, and I've been in here. I've been sick, and number two, he's brought people. He brought someone else and told me they were licensed. They weren't licensed. The county's involved. That's why. It's black mold. It's black. There's been 2 mold experts out here, and he's not trustworthy. That's why I'm recording. Are you licensed?
Here's the license. Don't do it.
I already saw it.
You already saw it, but I just show you the license.
Yeah, I don't know if that's real. He sent something that for the plumber, and the other person, and it wasn't legit.
Okay.
It's nothing against you, sir. Preston, give me the other phone. Can you have him call? Let me see. Hold on. Frank, call. Yeah, they talking in another language, like I understand. Give me that. Go see if he's talking to him.
Thank you.
So you don't know what's going on?
No, I'm still checking right now.
No, I'm not talking about that. I mean, saying, why were you told that because it's broke?
Which one?
The air condition. Why were you told to come? That's what I'm asking. To fix the air. What?
Yeah, two things. The running
You say you
problem.
complain to
He also
him,
will.
says
He also will fix that one. Okay.
the machine always running.
Yeah, I told him.
Yeah, and it's been black. It's been water down there.
That's right. The water's another problem. So he's.
It's not the sewer. Don't try to confuse it.
Check that problem first.
And the
Okay?
water leak from the.
From the air condition? What is that, condensation? Or is it just? Okay. No, I'm just saying I don't understand that other stuff. Here, okay, pull that stuff is, they said I have to get rid of.
You said you have to get rid of?
Yeah, because it's, pull it out, see what else is in there. Don't put it on there. Don't put it on there. You probably can get a box. Get a box. There's boxes in there. There's a bunch of new boxes in there. Huh? It's water where? It's water out. Let me see. That's new, because they just moved all this stuff yesterday. Okay, Mr. C, there is another leak. This is soaking work. This is all the stuff that they just moved out of there.
So
This is just ridiculous.
yeah, when I rent to you, not this condition.
No, it don't have nothing to do with me. You
What? I don't live here. You live here.
no, but you know what? You're at fault.
Yeah.
You're at fault. Who you brought here? It doesn't matter. No, you don't. You're not doing
Right
anything.
here.
Not here. What?
It's leaking from here, from up here somewhere. But it's wet all over the place.
Oh, here. Here.
It's all my clothes. This is the stuff that we just moved. Your people moved yesterday. This room was empty. You're not gonna blame it on me. It's the air condition. No, don't tell me to silent. You don't. No, you don't talk to me like that. Don't tell me to silent. No, don't try to blame nothing on me. Just like when you called my brother for the electrician, you didn't want him to pull the permit. You're just a sneaky person. No, don't tell me no. Don't point your finger.
Point here. Okay. This is where it come from. I don't know. I have to get some people to take a look. But yeah, this I think is not air conditioned.
I told you it was a leak in this house, but you don't.
Yeah, you leak everywhere.
Go follow him, see what he does. Here, to record, go that way. Now, all this is the stuff that they just moved yesterday. You just don't know the God that I serve. That's why you're having all these problems, because my God is real. Many people are praying for you. That's the toilet that the plumber just told you was broke.
But how is it leaking through the house?
I don't know. We just came here. There's cameras. The next door neighbors have cameras, and this people have cameras, so they can see that I just came here. The people, I left when the people left yesterday. I went to the hotel. I had to meet the lady at the hotel. That's the thing that I just text you that the plumber said that you did not fix properly. There's no valve thing on there, and the flapper is the wrong flapper. God is awesome. No, they moved all the stuff. They came yesterday and they moved all the stuff. No, the people can say it was they took all my stuff in there. They wouldn't have put it in there if it was leaking. They couldn't. They said they weren't moving the treadmill and they weren't. So what? It doesn't matter. They were here. They didn't do any work. They're waiting for your insurance. And either was I. I've been at the hotel and I've been at work. And I'm glad that my neighbors have cameras to show that nobody's been in here, but just till this point. I'm not allowed to stay in here by the county. What was something? What is it? Something still running up there?
I don't know. All this white stuff on the floor is mold.
No, that's when it overflowed. It was a hard substance in the commode 15 feet down or whatever it was. It's don't walk in. It's fecal matter, urine, and all kinds of stuff. I'll say this house was.
The house was messed up when we first came. We got tape on all the stuff that was messed up.
I'm not worried about it. You can't rent to nobody else. And now that the neighbors, they're checking their stuff from it's really going to be a problem, huh? No, you can pause it. Go plug it till I need you. And you can start making the boxes. Who opened the door?
So take it to the outside.
Oh. Okay, I was getting ready to say that somebody came in here. Because they put the bar on yesterday. Preston, bring me my cord with the cord and the charger plug.
The water here leaking. Put on the half bathroom upstairs.
There's
Okay,
no
so,
vent.
Yes, also don't use that bathroom. For
We're not staying here. We can't stay here anymore.
That's what I said. Okay.
But that's the stuff that I told you Saturday when I sent the email to you, the text to you and the plumber. It's in the email right here. Your plumber